Hi everyone, welcome again. In this video I'll be installing a new SCSI hard drive to the Micron tower. I will need this PCI card for this. The Adaptec AHA2940 Ultra. Here is the cable. This is another thing I'll need for the upgrade. It's an adapter for the drive I'm going to use. And this is the hard drive. A 15,000 RPM HP drive with 36 gigantic bytes. Model ST336754LC. I found it's made by Seagate as model Cheetah. It's still sold new. I will start connecting the adapter to the hard drive and then the card to the main board. But first I will turn on the machine to see if the actual system works, since it's been a while. And here we have Windows NT loaded successfully. The old drive stays as it is. I will only change the SCSI card. The actual SCSI card goes out. In goes the new card. It needs power to the Molex connector and the 68-pin cable connected to the board. I had to put a little plastic bag between the drive and the adapter to avoid possible shorts. I have to be cautious here. Let's power it up. There we go. Quite loud for sure. There's the card. And the hard drive. It seems it's working instantly. There is no operating system, no problem. I want to format the drive with the SCSI utility from the card's BIOS. It says it could take hours. Okay then. It took like half an hour. It could have been worse. Now let's mount the new drive in the case. But first let's solve the problem with the short. To avoid that, I will put this self-adhesive foam strip. There we go. I'll mount it on top of the old drive. So we have our card connected to our new drive. I will create a new partition . Let's keep everything cool. After that, I'll install Windows 2000. I need to know how it performs. We are right at the lower specs needed. It takes its time. I will change the format system to NTFS. This is the real speed of the process. It's not frozen, but it's taking forever. Now I can change the date and continue, but it's really slow. This is quite time-consuming. I hope it doesn't hang out. 5 o'clock. 8 o'clock. More than 3 hours. So final steps at last. This has taken more than 5 hours. Yes. There we go. Windows 2000. Will it run 3D pinball? Of course it does. Resolution of the video card is limited. Here we can live with this. Processes, performance. There we go. Here we have our two processors working good. Memory, by the way, is a little bit low. This OS consumes much more RAM. Here is our new hard drive with lots of space. In Device Manager, the video card looks good. The only thing that's marked is this controller. Maybe it's faulty. Now let's add a sound card. I have this ESS audio drive I want to test. It's weird that the card is detected in slot 1 of the ISA slots, when it's clearly on number 3. Let's see what Windows has to say. But after it rebooted, host adapter configuration error. I had to set the configuration again in the EISA config. Holy shit. That was very loud. I will also check CPU and memory usage. Whoa. sound is total crap.
Interesting. Let's put the Vibra 16. Here we go.
Let's test pinball again.
This is better.
CPU usage got lower as well. Now let's open DOS Bench from Phil's computer lab. In sysinfo, I don't think it shows both processors. In Landmark, the results seem accurate. In SpeedSys, it shows only one processor, as well as CPU ID utility. Now some benchmarks. 3D Bench scored almost 100 points. Chris Bench scored 27.9 FPS. PC Player scored 10.8. Doom scored almost 55 FPS. Quake scored 27.4 FPS, but in low resolution. Let's upgrade the video card and see if we can run Half-Life. It didn't work, as you can see. We are running at 10-second FPS. And when it finally loaded, it failed.
So this doesn't work.
Let's test this Doom pack and see if it works.
Whoa. So, it's not good. This one didn't work, so...
I will test another video card, in this case my NVIDIA TNT-2. It has 32 megabytes of memory. it's installed automatically by Windows. Let's test Doom again. We can see in the loader only one processor is detected.
Will it run? Oh. Oh, we're playing Doom. It's kind of laggy. Hear the music.
I'll change resolution to 800 by 600 and try again.
So let's go here, okay. Yes.
This is better. You can see the two processes were used as it shows in the graphs. But I can see clearly what's the issue now. When I open Half-Life, memory usage collapses.
Clearly, that's the issue. Memory. We need more memory.
But I don't have much more of those banks. And to make a clear difference, I would need 256 megabytes at least. Let's see the results of DOS Bench for this video card. 3D Bench scored 104.2. Chris Bench scored 29.5 FPS. PC Player scored 13.9 points. Doom scored 58.4 FPS. Quake scored 10.2 FPS at 640 by 480. And we can see our video card is detected fine in SpeedSys. So this is how this video ends. I will need clearly more memory for the future. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.